Hi everyone, it's Kim. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today is going to be about Doordash, in case you can't tell by this title page. I just happened upon an article, Doordash 10 years of delivery, the trends. Can you believe it? Doordash has been in existence for 10 years. That's crazy. I don't know how they make enough money for that to be true, but anyways, this is an unbiased video. I'm going to basically show you the article that they wrote and go over some of it. I'm not going to read it. I'll post it in the comments below in case you want to go back and read it, but I'm just going to kind of show you some of the highlights. I found it pretty interesting, so hopefully you will too. Okay, so this is just on DoorDash's website. Basically says decade delivered, DoorDash's Dash from the Past 2023 Trend Report, and I'll look back at 10 years of deliveries. So it just goes on and on about the inception, blah, blah, blah. So basically here it says DoorDash has grown from the app that can get you your favorite pad thai to the platform that can get you almost anything. That's kind of true. They deliver a lot of things now. Today you can order everything from dinner to groceries to your favorite team's jersey to new lip gloss that you saw on TikTok and so much more. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all of this, but here we go. These are the trends. So this was trends at a glance for 2023. That counts all DoorDash orders from January 1st, 2023 through October 31st. So this does not include the holidays, but so they have a persistent planners, it says. When life gets busy, DoorDash's schedule ahead feature makes it easier to check everything off your list, and it's sure to arrive right when you need it. Chicago is a city that plans the most. Holiday hangovers. On the days after holidays like St. Patrick's Day, Halloween, New Year's Eve, we saw orders spike for ibuprofen. Upwards of 400% the day after Halloween for certain types of ibuprofen. That's interesting. Top items paired with ibuprofen were cheesecake, cognac, nacho fries, bacon, egg, and cheese, and a cold brew. Quirky combos. This year we also saw some unique combinations. The most unexpected Double Dash pairings included hot sauce and cinnamon twists, hash browns and soda, and fries and chili. Fries and chili sounds pretty good together. Anyways, beauty in the blink of an eye. Lash glue was a top ordered beauty item this year, while Charlotte Tilbury's setting spray topped the charts for top ordered makeup item. More caffeine, please. Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston brewed up the most coffee orders this year. How sweet. It says no meal is complete without a little something sweet. Top ordered desserts this year: donuts, chocolate brownies, and strawberry cheesecake. Okay, so these were the top ordered foods nationwide: fries, chicken quesadilla, mozzarella sticks, garlic naan, spicy chicken sandwich, pepperoni pizza, chips and queso, traditional wings, Cobb salad, and fried rice. This is still from this 2023. Fruit frenzy. So this year consumers leaned into healthy habits, stocking up on ample fruit. So this must be, grocery orders nationwide. People ordered bananas, Roma tomatoes, strawberries, cucumbers, cilantro, whole milk, eggs, iceberg lettuce, red onion, and blueberries. Here's the top ordered alcohol. Now it says 2 new drinks of choice emerged this year: whiskey and rum. A 648% increase in whiskey orders and a 317% increase in rum. Ugh, rum, disgusting. Anyways, top ordered alcohol nationwide: vodka, hard seltzer, tequila, Sauvignon Blanc, Prosecco, whiskey, Pinot Grigio, lager beer, Pinot Noir, and rum. It's the thought that counts. Whether it's a big milestone or just to show you care, customers sent an array of gift orders. Los Angeles showed the most love this year, gifting the most. So here are what people said. So here we go. From yours truly, with DoorDash's gifting feature, by simply clicking send as a gift during checkout, you can turn any order into a gift order, equipped with a personalized message. So here are their 5, I guess, that they like the most. For my hangry girl, you are not you if you're not hungry. Okay. Number 2, watching murder shows and loving you is still all I want to do. Number 3, for your stanky armpits, LMAO. 4, you can save the world and drink water at the same time. Take care of yourself today. And then number 5, whether you like it or not, it's your birthday. Okay, so that's interesting. Along with orders, there's millions of special requests and delivery instructions. Which city are the most particular? Chicago, Houston, and Atlanta entered the most special requests. Here are some of the highlights. Can you please get extra ketchup? Please, lots of it, and lots of ranch. Please, thank you. Please, ranch, ranch, ranch. Make sure my food gets in my hand. My neighbors have sticky hands. Please don't knock or dogs will bark and then everything descends into chaos. Don't ring doorbell. Dogs will eat you. JK. Okay. New year, new trends. As we close out the year, we look towards what trends we expect to see this holiday season and beyond. Okay, so holiday hosting delivered. We saw more consumers ordering delivery for their guests while hosting. More business and pleasure. More people will combining their business travel with personal leisure. Live like a local. With the increase of slow travel, more consumers are emphasizing connection with local people and culture versus more traditional tourist behaviors. Never miss a moment. Power of fandoms reign supreme this year. Late night snacking with the rise of trends like girl dinner this year. 2024 will be the year of late night snacking with more consumers ordering delivery for food during late night hours. We've seen a 36% year-over-year increase in late night Doordash orders. Okay, so here's your dash from the past. In 2013, things started out small with a simple idea. How can we help your favorite local restaurant get its pad thai to your doorstep easier? 10 years and millions of orders of pad thai later, our business may have grown, but our mission to empower local communities remains the same. Since our founding 10 years ago, we're proud to have facilitated 5 billion consumer orders, driven over $100 billion in sales for merchants, and helped Dashers earn over $35 billion through the platform. So I'm not going to read all this, but I wanted to read some of the differences in the food that was ordered. So this is a dash down memory lane, top ordered foods in 2013. Okay, so here's the top ordered foods nationwide. Chipotle chicken sandwich. This was in 2013. Pork pot stickers, tomato bisque soup, Cobb salad, sweet potato fries, guacamole, hummus, grilled cheese sandwich, tacos, and pita. And in dessert, it was strawberry cheesecake, chocolate chip cookies, and lemon cheesecake. So while DoorDash started out as a restaurant delivery platform, we expanded beyond food to offer consumers all the best of their neighborhood. So let's see. That was all they had for 2013. And in 2020, they expanded into stores. Grocery delivery. Let's see. In 2020, DoorDash began offering grocery delivery right when we needed the most, getting us all the fresh staples delivered on demand. So this was during COVID. The top ordered grocery items over the past 3 years, pretty much similar to the other list: bananas, Roma tomatoes, cucumbers, strawberries, cilantro, iceberg lettuce, whole milk, blueberries, roasted chicken, and limes. So soon after groceries, DoorDash expanded to retail spaces to cover an array of goods, and the top ordered retail items seem to contain the mysteries of the universe. Printer paper, microfiber bed pillow, fragrance-free baby wipes, high-velocity fan, laundry detergent, incense sticks, takeaway containers, cotton bath towel, stamps, and batteries. What story do these items tell about our lives? If I had to guess, they are office workers replenishing their printers, taking a nap on a plush new pillow under their desk, freshening up from the nap with a face wipe, maybe. Okay, 2021 is alcohol. That's when it was brought to DoorDash. And let's see. It says there's no contest what top ordered alcohol was. Vodka. Clear and versatile. It's the crucial ingredient in Cosmopolitan's, Bloody Marys, and Regrets. But there's soon to be stiff competition from hard seltzer, whose orders have increased 83% year over year. So here's the top ordered alcohol since 2021. Vodka, Cabernet Sauvignon, Prosecco, Irish whiskey, cinnamon whiskey, Pinot Grigio, Pinot Noir, hard seltzer, tequila, and Moscato. We were in full bloom when we launched flower delivery in 2022, and to date, over 1.2 million orders from flower shops have been delivered. Top ordered flowers: red roses, pink roses, white roses, tulips, and sunflowers. A lot has happened in the world in the past 10 years, and you'd be surprised at how many global events got us snackish. 2015 Big Game was the most viewed one to date, and Doordash orders that day stayed on theme with teams for Who Forgotten was New England versus Seattle, with some of the top ordered items included edamame, lemon pepper wings, clam chowder, and spicy tuna rolls. I'm not going to go through all this, but basically that's their trends as they see it from their data, and I'm surprised they're still in business. Like I said, as a past dasher, I don't really do it anymore, once in a while here and there, but I am surprised that they are still able to get people to deliver. The orders are fewer and far between, and they pay much less than before. I find it very difficult to imagine making much money doing this. Anyways, good luck to DoorDash. Wish you the best. Hopefully the pay will increase for the people who rely on that money to feed their family. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Put a comment below with your opinion on this and what you think of it. It's kind of silly, but I just happened upon it and I wanted to share it. Thanks for watching.